Good morning, student. Welcome once again. So again, another video, but the chapter is same, French Revolution, and this is your third part of the chapter. Already first two part we have discussed. First part about the France, its society, its king, and the problem faced by the people of France, and what are the reasons that the people are very angry with their own rulers. And in second chapter, the outbreak of revolution, in which we have discussed that what are the reasons or what are the steps that people have taken for that particular revolution, what the events happen by at the time of that revolution, and what's the steps taken by the king or by the common people in this particular scenario. Okay, that they come for the king's palace to discuss about the tax, and there they put up a new demand that one person one vote, and that particular demand which was refused by their own king. So what they do, they all walk out from that particular palace and gathered in a tennis court where they uh, proclaim themselves or declare themselves as a national assembly, and they start making a constitution of France. And the main aim of that particular third estate to make the constitution of France was to limit the power of their own king. Okay, so because they don't want that king should be a absolute monarch. All the decisions taken itself by the king should not be now happen. New constitution should be made by that particular constitution. They can decrease the power of their own king. Okay, all these things we have discussed, and apart from these, we have discussed about the political symbols, which I show you in previous video also, and same in this I am also showing that we have discussed about this. Now in this particular video, now we will discuss about the third chapter, that was French abolish monarchy and become a republic. That France country, from that particular country, a rule of a king, monarchy means a rule of a king is abolished, means finished, and now particular France become a republic state. Republic is a term in which the meaning of republic is that the head of the particular nation or a country is not a hereditary ruler. Okay, the head of that particular country or state is elected by the common people. That is called republic. As our country, India is a republic, because the head of our country is elected by the common people. It is not a heredity. But in monarchy, it is a heredity, that after the death of a king, only another king who become that particular country's ruler will be belong to his that particular king's family, either the son or the daughter or any. But that particular person should be belong to the royal. So in this chapter, what we will read about, that how monarchy or the rule of king finished in France, and how rule of a common people or a rule of a person which was elected by the common people started. Okay, so again chapter started with previous chapter issues, that in these two chapters we have read different type of situations. Now these situations are now becoming more tense in the next years. Which situation? That king, not by his own will or by his own wish, recognize that national assembly, but because the situation at that time prevailed in the country, so king has to compel to become a constitutional monarch from an absolute monarch. So situations are very tense in France at that time and in coming year also. Okay, लुई 16 ऑलरेडी साइन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, और उसने अपने आप को क्या मान लिया था, दैट नाउ ही विल फॉलो द रूल्स ऑफ अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, नॉट द रूल बाय हिज ओन. Because in previous chapter we have read that France become a constitutional monarch from absolute monarch. Okay, but at the same time, what he do? He has done a secret negotiation or secret treaty with the neighboring countries, Persia and Austria. In first chapter, we have read that the prince, the to which that Louis XVI had got a married was a prince of Austria, Mary Antoinette. Okay, so what the king do? He had a secret negotiation and secret conversation with the neighboring country, Austria and Persia, that where if there is a tense situation or the common people will against the king, that these two countries will help this Louis XVI. Okay, so this is a very secret negotiation with these kings. Okay, so when people know about this particular decision of a king, now they are very angry. Okay, so what they do? That in summer season of 1789, the National Assembly, what they do? They thought that before king with their own friends, Austria and Persia, attack on the common people, उससे पहले हम ही लोग क्या करते हैं, हम ही लोग अपने किंग के अगेंस्ट और उसके जो फ्रेंड्स है ऑस्ट्रिया एंड पर्शिया उसके अगेंस्ट क्या कर देते हैं, लड़ाई करें. दे डिक्लेयर अ वॉर. ओके, so in 1789 summer, all these situation going to started, and the National Assembly in 1792 declare war against Persia and Austria. Okay, and to participate in this war, thousands of volunteers come from the villages and join the army, because this was a fight of a common people against their own ruler. अपने ही राजा के अगेंस्ट वो लोग क्या कर रहे थे, लड़ाई में पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे थे. So lots of the thousands of volunteers come to different part of France to participate in this particular war. And what they do at that time to rise the feeling of nationalism, and you can say to motivate them, they a poet of a France write a song, and the name of the song was Mercedes. It was written by, already written in your book in first paragraph, page number 14. Poet name is Roget de la Ile. Okay. Now this poet has wrote this song, and all the people by singing these songs come to the road to join the army, to ensure that we all are with common people or the army which was going to fight with the king, that we all are with them, to rouse the feeling of nationalism. This song was now used to sing in road, in parks, in every building, this particular song. Okay, and to remember this song, what happened when France become a republic, this song is declared as a national anthem of France. Now, right now also, today also, this particular song Mercedes is called our national anthem of France. So now what happened? That all these revolutionary now fighting against the king. Okay, and now they thought, they have already in their mind that by this war they have to face lots of economic crisis and social crisis. All the men of particular France country is fighting against king and the friends of that particular king, Austria and Persia. And what the women are doing? Women are looking after home and other activities in the city. Okay. Now, most of the people or most of the large section of population were thinking that this particular revolution will be carried further. कि ये जो revolt है ये after the war again this revolution will be continued. Why? Because all the people are not getting the political rights. We have read in second chapter that citizens are divided into two parts, active citizen and passive citizens. Okay, so people have not get equal right. So those who did not get the right of as a active citizen, means all the passive citizen thought that this revolution should be continued because they did not get equal right as the active citizens. Okay, so getting their right. Now what happened in France? Lots of clubs and associations are becoming new, coming on. बहुत सारे क्लब्स और एसोसिएशंस फ्रांस में बनने लग गए टू गेट equal right for all the French citizens. Okay, and in these clubs there is a most common club, the famous club named Jacobean Club. Okay, second paragraph it is given. The most successful club was Jacobean, which the name Jacobean was come from a former convent of Saint Jacobean who used to live in France. Okay, women also participating in all these movement very actively. They also make lots of clubs. But about the participation of women, we will read in next unit or next topic. Okay, here we will read only about the clubs which was made by the men, so that all the other people are also getting the equal right as the right given to the active citizens. Okay, so all the members, those who are the member of Jacobean club, are mainly belong to the middle class or lower middle class. Those who have not so much of money to pay the tax and become a active citizen. Okay. Now, who are the members of these clubs? Shopkeepers, artists, shoemaker, pastry maker, then watchmaker, printer, servant and daily wages worker. और इस जैकोबियन क्लब का लीडर कौन था? The name of the leader of this particular club is Maximilien Robespierre. Okay. Now what they decide? They decide their own dress. Just like you wear your school uniform, similarly they also wear their same uniform or same dress. What the type of dress is? They wear long strips trousers. Okay, and these trousers are similar to the worker who used to wear the dress, which used to work on a dock. Dockyard means a place where ships come for the रिपेयर. ओके, जहाँ पर बड़े बड़े शिप आके ठीक होते हैं, जो उनका रिपेयरिंग सेक्शन होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड डॉकयार्ड. सो देयर ड्रेस ऑफ जैकोबियन क्लब मेंबर इज जस्ट लाइक अ ड्रेस ऑफ अ डॉकयार्ड वर्कर्स. ओके, they choose this particular dress so that they can keep themselves separate from the wealthy section of the society, so that people can make difference that these are the Jacobean club members and these are the members or the people belong to wealthier section of the society. Okay, now here it is a figure 9. You can see the dress. Okay, men and women both are wearing the dress which is belong to this particular Jacobean club. Okay, now these particular Jacobean club members are called with a new name, and the name was sans-culottes. Okay, now these men, apart from their stripped trousers and shirt, they used to wear red cap. Okay, as we read in political symbol, that red cap is a symbol of liberty. By wearing this cap, they show that they are free from the king rule. Okay, they are just showing their liberty. Okay, so they used to wear this red cap. And women's not allowed to do all these things. Neither they wear cap. Okay, because that were not allowed to women to do so. So in summer 1972, now what the Jacobean plan that they will revolt against their own ruler. Ruler means king. Louis XVI, already we have read that he declared himself as a constitutional monarch from the absolute monarch. Now what they are trying to do? Now they are trying to revolt against their ruler. So they make a plan and they come with the people, those who are angry with a short supply of bread. So what they do? They merge the people of Jacobean Club and the people, those who are angry with the short supply of bread, and they went up to the king's palace on morning 10th of August. And when they reach the king palace, what they do? They arrest, or you can say they take the hostage of their own king. उन्होंने अपने ही राजा को पकड़ लिया और जेल में डाल दिया. Okay, and after that, now there was an election, and in this particular election, all the men of France, those up to the age of 21 years, get the right to vote. Okay, before this particular incident, only the member which are belonging to the wealthier section of the society, or those who are paying the tax, active citizens, are allowed to give the vote. But now any man whose age is above 21 years can get a right to vote. Okay. Now this newly elected assembly called convention, and on September 21, 1792, this convention declared that monarchy should be finished, abolish monarchy, and now France will be a republic country. Now no more king will be the ruler of the France. The people, those who belong to this political assembly, which was named as convention, will rule the country. Okay, and France, now we can say it now become a monarch, not a monarch country, a republic country. Okay. Now what happened to that particular king, जिसको की पकड़ के they have put in jail? Louis XVI has declared as a culprit to work against the welfare of France. Okay, और उसके ऊपर क्या चार्ज लगाया, क्या एलिगेशन लगाया? टेररिज्म. न्यू वर्ड्स 16 राइट हैंड साइड. बिट्रे टू वंस कंट्री, अपने ही देश की सरकार के साथ विद्रोह करना. उस पर कोर्ट में क्या एलिगेशन लगाया कि दे रिवोल्ट अगेंस्ट देयर ओन कंट्री, एंड because they revolt for against their own country, so what the court declared? Court declared that king should be sentenced to death. और राजा को क्या मिली? फांसी की सजा. 21 जनवरी 1793 फ्रांस में एक पर्टिकुलर प्लेस पर पब्लिकली फर्स्ट द किंग गिवन दिस पनिशमेंट, and same punishment also given to this wife or the queen Marie Antoinette. Okay, so the rule of a king was finished in France, and now the France become a new country, a republic country. Okay, now what happened? There was a new era or new rule that was called the rule of terror, the reign of terror. Okay, now this rule or this particular time is for only 1 year, 1793 to 1794. Reign of terror. Why? Because the leader of the Jacobean Club, Maximilian Robespierre, he was a very cruel person, and he followed after the death of king. He became a ruler of France, and now he is following the policy of severe control and punishment. All have to be listen the words of that particular leader, and he gave the punishment if someone not obey his rules. Okay, now what happened? All the people, those who belong to the royal families, are the enemy of this particular man. So what he do? He arrest all the person, those who belong to royal family, or you can say first or second estate, nobility and clergy, and those who are not listening his views or ideas, or not following his views and ideas, what he do? He put that particular person in a jail, and after that, what happened? He used to give a punishment, or you can say he used to give them a gulitan. Gulitan is a device. Now, it is a device which was made by Dr. Gulito. Okay. Now, what this device do? It is a device of two pole. These two pole is here, and in these two pole, between these two pole there is a blade, and by this particular blade he used to punish the people at the time when they not follow his rules or ideas, or not obey his rules and ideas. Okay. Now this Robespierre, what he do? He make a very strict rules about the common things. For example, he fixed the price and wages of all the essential items, meat and bread. Okay, peasants were forced to sell their harvest not in a village but in a city. Okay, and on a price which was fixed by the government. Okay, they have to sell their harvest on a price fixed by the government. Plus, he said no men and women, now people will call them sir or madam. Okay, all the people, those who are belonging to prosperous class or middle class, will not be say just like sir or madam. They just called citizens. Okay, churches were all the closed, and these church were changed into barrack or the office of these particular Maximilian Robespierre's own club. Means people will not go church for a worship, because he closed all the church, and the building in which the church is there is now changed into either the office or the barrack of the soldiers. Okay. Now, due to this particular policy, and he follow this policy very relentlessly without any thinking, either it is right or wrong. Okay, so what happened? Now people are very angry with these particular activities of Robespierre. Even the member of Jacobean Club, his own followers are now angry with this Maximilian Robespierre. And finally, on July 1794, this Maximilian was arrested by the court, and he get the same punishment which he used to give to the people. That court has ordered that he should also be guillotined by the same device he used to that particular device for the common people. Okay. And now what happened? After this 1 year, when this Maximilian Robespierre died, after the death of Maximilian Robespierre, his rule is also finished. At the same time, the wealthier middle class of France, they take the advantage of this particular situation, and what they do? They again introduce a new constitution, and by this new constitution, again the voting right is now restricted only to the person, those who are belonging with money. Okay, property men are now eligible for vote. Now, less prosperous or people, those who have less money, are not eligible to cast their vote. Okay. Now, apart from this convention, now there is a two legislative councils are there also in France. What they do? They appoint a directory, and in this particular directory there are 5 members. It means in France now there is a two type of rulers. First rulers are the convention, which was elected by the people, and another one the executive members, which was called directory, and in this directory there are 5 members. Now what happened? There was always fight between these executive assembly and convention. They did not agree for one thing. And the result of this fighting or instability, what happened? That the military ruler or military dictator Napoleon Bonaparte get a right to come into existence. Due to the instability of these two political bodies, now Napoleon make his way to become a ruler of France. Okay, and slowly this particular France now coming in a hand of Napoleon Bonaparte, a very famous military ruler of this country. Okay, so now your chapter, this particular chapter 3, France abolished monarch and become republic, is finished. Okay, so you read it chapter. Now the next chapter is topic is chapter 4, the role of women. We will discuss in next video what is the role of women in France at that time and what is the role of women during the revolution and after the revolution. Okay, all these things we will discuss in next video. And apart from this fourth part, I hope that you read this fourth part, and apart from this fourth part, just read previous three chapters, previous three unit or main topic which we have read. Okay, so that you can able to understand.